In today's video, I'm going to teach you GoHighLevel Zapier integration, how to integrate Zapier with GoHighLevel 2026. We'll connect GoHighLevel to Zapier using the leadconnector app so you can automate tasks the moment something moves in your pipeline. Start on the Zapier homepage. This is your central dashboard for building automations, or Zaps. From here, click Create to begin. You'll see several options, and we're going to build a new automation from scratch. So choose Zaps to open the Zap editor. Inside the editor, we always begin with a trigger, which is the event that tells Zapier when to run. Click the trigger box at the top. This opens the app picker, where you'll select the app that sends the signal to Zapier. In the search field, type leadconnector. Leadconnector is the official Zapier app that connects to GoHighLevel, and it supports a range of CRM and marketing events. When it appears in the list, click leadconnector to select it. Next, you'll choose the specific trigger event. Click Choose an Event to open the dropdown. For this workflow, select Pipeline Stage Changed. This option is perfect when you want automations to run the moment an opportunity moves from one stage to another in your GoHighLevel pipeline. For example, from new lead to qualified, or from demo scheduled to won. If your pipelines and stages are already set up in GoHighLevel, this trigger will listen for those changes in real time. Now it's time to connect your account. Click Sign In. A secure window will prompt you to authorize Zapier's access to your GoHighLevel data through leadconnector. Follow the on-screen prompts and make sure you select the correct account or location if you work with multiple sub-accounts. For agencies or workspaces with several locations, double-check you're picking the one where your pipeline lives. Keep your credentials private and only grant the permissions you're comfortable with. Zapier will show you what it's requesting before you continue. Once your account is connected, you'll be returned to the editor with leadconnector linked to your Zap. At this point, your trigger framework is in place. Choosing Pipeline Stage Changed as your trigger gives you a reliable starting point for automations that react to deal progress, status updates, and handoffs between teams. It's a best practice to ensure your pipeline names and stages are clearly labeled in GoHighLevel, so your trigger captures exactly the movements you care about. If you don't see the correct options, confirm you're connected to the right location and that your user has access to the pipeline. That's it for setting up the leadconnector trigger in Zapier for GoHighLevel. In the next part of your build, you can layer on the actions you want to